Hello chutties. Now we are going to learn words from U to Z. Are you ready? Letter U. U sounds U sounds urchin, urchin, umpire, umpire, umbrella, umbrella, upstairs, upstairs. Now shall we revise this? Urchin, umpire, umbrella, upstairs. Now next letter, letter V. Letter V. V sounds. Shall we see the words? Violin, violin, vase, vase, vest, vest, vulture, vulture. Now shall we revise this? Violin, vase, vest, vulture. Now next letter after V, next letter W. W sounds W. W sounds W. Shall we see the words? Wheel, wheel, whale, whale. Next window, window, watermelon, watermelon. Shall we revise this? Wheel, whale, window, watermelon. Now next letter after W, X. X sounds. X sounds. Shall we see the words? X-ray, X-ray, Xmas tree, Xmas tree, X-ray fish, X-ray fish, xylophone, xylophone. Very good. Shall we revise this? X-ray, Xmas tree, X-ray fish, xylophone. Well done. Now next letter after X, Y. Y sounds Y. Y sounds Y. Yak, 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 yawn, yarn, yogurt, yogurt, yo-yo, yo-yo. Shall we revise this? Yak, yarn, yogurt, yo-yo. Now after Y, yes, next letter, last letter Z. Z sounds Z. Z sounds Z. Shall we see the words? Zip, zip. Next, zebra, zebra. Next, zero, zero. Next, zigzag, zigzag. Shall we revise this? Zip, zero, zigzag, zebra. So now we learnt letters U to Z. If you like this video, click the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this. Okay? Thank you.